The given question is an easy GMAT problem solving practice question. This GMAT sample question is from the topic set theory. I'll classify this question as a sub 600 level question. Focuses on concepts of union intersection of two sets. In a class, 40% of the students enroll for math and 70% enroll for economics. If 15% of the students enroll for both math and economics, what percent of the students of the class did not enroll for either of the two subjects? Let's assign sets for each of these subjects. Let's say n of A gives us a percentage of students who enroll for math. That is equal to 40. N of B is the percentage of students who enroll for economics, and that number is 70. N of A intersection B will give us a percentage of students who enroll for both math and economics, and that is 15%. So we know N of A, N of B, N of A intersection B. What will N of A union B in this context be? N of A union B will give us a percentage of students who enroll for at least one of these two subjects. They could have enrolled only for math, only for economics, or could have enrolled for both the subjects. So that is going to be N of A union B. We'll compute that. We do not have data for that. Is that what the question is asking us to find out? No, the question is asking us to find out what percentage of the students did not enroll for either of the two subjects. If N of A union B gives us the percentage of students who enroll for at least one of these two, the complement of that, N of A union B complement, will give us a percentage of students who enroll for neither of these subjects. That is going to be equal to 100 minus N of A union B, because all of these are in percentage terms. What we need to find out is also a percentage. So step 1, using information in the first 3 rows, let's compute the value of N of A union B. Straightforward formula, N of A union B equals N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Plug in the values. N of A is a 40%, so let's go with 40. N of B is 70%, which is equal to 70, minus N of A intersection B. The percentage of students who enroll for both, that is equal to 15. 40 plus 70 is 110, minus 15 equals 95. So 95 is N of A union B, which tells us the percentage of students who enroll for at least one of these two subjects. What we are trying to find out is N of A union B complement, which is 100 minus N of A union B. N of A union B is a 95. So 100 minus 95, 5% of the students of this class enroll for neither of these two subjects. Quickly summarize the last two lines in a printed form. Substituting N of A, N of B, N of A intersection B. Step 1, we have computed N of A union B. What we need to find out is N of A union B complement, because this 95% tells us the percentage of students who have enrolled for at least one of these two courses or one of these two subjects. So those who enroll for neither is going to be 100 minus 95. 5% is the answer. Choice A is the correct answer to this question. Before you leave, I want you to do 2 things. Sign up as a trial user at the URL given there, wzko.in/core. It's the most comprehensive and affordable online GMAT course available on the web, available through an iOS app, available through Android. Right. Start with the free topic, statistics and averages. It will take you about 6 to 8 hours to gather momentum into your GMAT quant preparation and also to understand how our teaching methodology works. If you find the teaching methodology helping you, pay and unlock the remaining 19 topics in 8 modules behind the paywall. Secondly, before you leave, subscribe to this channel, youtube.com/Vizako, and turn on notifications. Until next time, stay healthy, stay safe, and stay motivated.